My name is Giovana. I'm doing my PhD in sociology at GLU, and I'm also part of GCSE. My research is about contesting the coloniality of the periphery, departing from the city of São Paulo, connecting with and learning from the experience of peripheral women activists there. São Paulo, in Brazil, has had a significant impact on my academic and personal choices. When I moved from the countryside to pursue my university studies, I was deeply affected by how the city center influenced my urban experiences, starting to reflect on social issues like violence, structural racism, sexism, and all different challenges that are entangled to urban inequalities. My research's aim is to contribute to the deconstruction of the city, departing from feminist, anti-racist, and decolonial perspectives. Also, I want to engage with multiple research methods in the study of culture and also reflect upon my own positionality. I'm interested to understand different perspectives and learn from the standpoints of peripheral women living in the city's outskirts. Departing from their experience that differ from the dominant history of São Paulo, I focus on how structural inequalities reflect in peripheries still nowadays. For 13 months, I did my fieldwork in São Paulo. I stayed in 3 main peripheral neighborhoods to immerse myself in these daily lives and connect with some influential women activists and collectives. Through ethnographic work, conversations, observations, and collaborative workshops, I gather materials that helped me to understand what constitutes peripheral territories, their feelings, and discourses. I learned from Afro-Brazilian, indigenous, and migrant women about their practices and peers of knowledge that creates alternative ways of moving, building, caring, and re-existing within the cities. My research has inspired my academic aspirations and led me to form coalitions with and support the voices of peripheral women. Thanks to the travel grant from GCSE, I was able to make contributions and discoveries to my research project during my fieldwork. Back in Germany, we co-organized a workshop with one of the activist women to build bridges and weave knowledge between academia and society. Another step of my project will be producing a short documentary film with these women. This parallel project aims to contribute to sharing and creating more accessible and collective knowledge through an intersectional and interdisciplinary approach. I hope that my work can bring more visibility and representation for peripheral women, as well as to Afro-descendants, indigenous, and people of color, and ultimately can lead to a more equal cities.